Hey guys, hope you're having a pleasant afternoon working on your algebra homework. I just wanted to offer you some help on problem number 21 tonight. So if you're struggling on problems in general, or maybe this problem specifically gave you some fits, just wanted to bust it out with you really quick. So 3m squared plus, in the second term, the linear term, 11nm, and the last term says plus 6n squared is the problem. Now, obviously we're factoring, and I think the cause for concern comes right here. The fact that we have an n and an m. We have n and m, not like the wrapper M&M, but we have two different variables. And the thing about this is it's no different than this problem right here. I could have rewritten it like this. I could do 3m squared plus 11m plus 6. In other words, what I'm trying to tell you is that the fact that this n and n squared are here really doesn't change the problem. We're going to do it in the exact same way that we've been doing it. So, as you know, in class we talked about sort of making a little chart, coming up with factor squares of each term. So the quadratic term will end up with either m and 3m or 3m and m. The order does not matter, of course. I'll just leave it like that. And then likewise with 6n squared, we've got a couple possibilities. And this time you just need to include n's with your factors. So, you'll have 2n and 3n, of course. You'll also have, flip the order, 3n and 2n. And then we'll also have our 6n and 1, right? 6n and 1n. And the reason why I'm including an n in each one is because 3n times 2n is 6, n times n is squared. So really, what you're going to end up getting here is when you multiply to give you your middle term, let's just take, the last one, for example. Say we started with this, and we wanted just to bust that out, see if it's the correct answer. M plus, so I'm looking here, m plus, right here, n times the quantity 3m plus 6n. And what you're going to notice, you can use the box method if that's more comfortable because we have multiple variables, but what you're going to end up with your linear term is you're going to end up with 3mn and 6 and m. And what you're going to find is you're going to have an m and an n in each term, and you're still going to be able to combine these to get 9mn or nm. Order doesn't matter there. Notice I need 11, so you can cross that one out. It doesn't work. Which leaves you with only 3 possibilities, and I'll let you sort of finish it and decide which one. If you do it correctly, I think you're going to end up with 9mn added to just 2mn, which gives you 11nm. And I'll let you decide which of these 3 pairs combines with these two to do this. Really, it's just a combination problem. You're just rearranging these in order in these to try to find which factors are correct. But best of luck on that. If you have any more questions, be sure to let me know. Just understand that having an extra variable right here really doesn't change the problem. Thanks, guys.